What's the meaning of bar mitzvah? Bar mitzvah. Bar mitzvah.
Bar mitzvah. Bar mitzvah. Bar mitzvah is a Jewish coming-of-age ceremony that marks a boy's transition from childhood to adulthood. It typically occurs when a Jewish boy turns 13 years old and is considered responsible for fulfilling the commandments of the Jewish faith. The term bar mitzvah literally means son of the commandment in Hebrew. During the ceremony, the boy reads from the Torah and delivers a speech in front of family and friends. It is a significant milestone in a young Jewish boy's life and represents a newfound sense of responsibility and commitment to the faith. Celebrations often include a reception with food, music, and dancing with family and friends.